How large language models are trained. Imagine training someone to become a superb conversationalist in every topic imaginable. In the case of ChatGPT, this begins with gathering vast amounts of text from books, articles, websites, and more. The raw data is not just stored, but carefully filtered to remove personal information and inappropriate content. The real training starts when this curated dataset is used to teach the model patterns in language. The model, essentially a gigantic artificial neural network, learns by processing snippets of text, trying to predict what word or token should come next in a sentence. Initially, it's unskilled, but each time it predicts correctly, the model adjusts its internal parameters, weights, improving on millions and millions of examples until it excels. This process, called supervised learning, is often followed by reinforcement learning, where responses are rated by humans, guiding the model to become more helpful, accurate, and safe. What tokens are and why they matter? In human conversation, we use words, but a language model uses tokens. Tokens are chunks of text, usually a word, part of a word, or even a single character, depending on the language. For example, ChatGPT might be one token or several, depending on how common and short it is. By breaking text into these tokens, the model simplifies and speeds up its processing. Tokens are the fundamental units that the model remembers and manipulates. Training, prediction, and evaluation all happen at the token level. The exact number and type of tokens affect training efficiency, memory consumption, and a model's ability to handle multiple languages and formats. How ChatGPT predicts the next word. Suppose you type, "The sky is." ChatGPT sees this as a list of tokens and tries to guess the most likely next token. It does this by considering every token it has ever seen in a similar context, calculating probabilities for each possible continuation. The model doesn't just look one step ahead. It uses its massive internal architecture, layers of simulated neurons and attention mechanisms, to remember context and pick the best continuation. This prediction is repeated over and over. For every word you read in a response, the model is generating one token at a time, sampling from the highest probability options while balancing creativity and coherence. The process continues until it determines your sentence is finished. Why ChatGPT sometimes makes mistakes. Despite its sophistication, ChatGPT is fundamentally pattern-based, not a true reasoning entity. It makes mistakes due to imperfections in training data, misunderstood context, or questions that require outside world knowledge or logic. If the model encountered conflicting or erroneous information during training, it might produce those errors in its responses. Also, because it doesn't understand facts the way humans do, it sometimes strings together likely words without ensuring logical accuracy. For rare, ambiguous, or abstract topics, the probabilities it relies on may be less accurate, leading to less reliable responses. What makes modern AI chatbots powerful? Modern AI chatbots like ChatGPT are powerful because of two factors: massive scale and sophisticated architecture. An enormous dataset allows the model to capture the nuances of human language across topics, while specialized neural networks, like transformers, allow it to focus attention effectively within a conversation. This capability to pay attention and hold context is what lets it reason fluidly across diverse subjects and generate nuanced, helpful responses.